Everyone, welcome back to another brand new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can change a Facebook page name. So it's very easy. First of all, log into your Facebook account. So this is your Facebook account. Now I need to go to my page. Click on the right hand side corner. Then if you click on that icon, it will automatically take you to your Facebook page. So I will show you my Facebook page name, which is Petpo. I need to change the name. So I will click on the right hand side corner and go down and go to settings, go to settings and privacy, and go to settings. Then I will go to page setup. Then I will go to name and click on the view section, and now I can change my page name. So I can easily like pet pose. If I give pose, and if you click on review change, it will automatically change your page name. But remember, if you what is written in the top if you change your name, you can't change it again for 60 days. So if you change your mind, then please change it after 60 days, because you can't change your name within this 60 days. So I'm not changing my page name, I'm just doing the video to show you. So it's very easy. You just click on settings, then settings and privacy, come down and click on page setup, and then you can easily change the name of your Facebook page. So it's very easy. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. Do let us know what kind of Facebook video you like from us. Thank you.